English Precis and Composition MCQs 2020. Synonyms. Question 1. Inception. A. Incision. B. Unending. C. Beginning.
D. Growth.
Correct answer is beginning. Question 2. Expatriate. A. Emigrant. B. Displaced. C. Infirm. D. Male. Correct answer is emigrant. Question 3. Contraption. A. Intrigue. B. Device. C. Sticker. D. Trend. Correct answer is device. Question 4. Animosity. A. Friendly. B. Flow. C. Enmity. D. Vanity. Correct answer is enmity. Question 5.
Guile.
A. Slyness. B. Decency.
C. Blame.
D. Made. Correct answer is slyness. Question 6. Essay. A. Direct. B. Compose. C. Attempt. D. Effort. Correct answer is attempt. Question 7. Plagiarism. A. Copy. B. Piracy. C. Deviance. D. Plague. Correct answer is piracy. Question 8. Impeachment. A. Indictment. B. Castigation.
C. Contempt.
D. Charge. Correct answer is indictment. Question 9. Sinister. A. Malevolent. B. Sinful. C. Three-famed. D. Occult. Correct answer is malevolent. Question 10. Consistency. A. Anomaly. B. Constant. C. Regularity. D. Errant. Correct answer is anomaly. Antonyms. Question 1. Hypothetical. A. Unreal. B. Vague. C. Actual. D. None of these. Correct answer is actual. Question 2. Pooh-pooh. A. Ridicule. B. Reprehend. C. Ravage. D. Praise. Correct answer is praise. Question 3. Henpecked. A. Meek. B. Assertive. C. Obedient. D. Rebel. Correct answer is assertive. Question 4. Eternity. A. Heaven. B. Transience. C. Mundane. D. Abstract. Correct answer is mundane. Question 5. Extempore. A. Sudden. B. Prepared. C. Imprint. D. Frenzy. Correct answer is prepared. Question 6. Relinquish. A. Assume. B. Confer. C. Leave. D. Throw. Correct answer is assume. Question 7. Laudable. A. Extol. B. Unworthy. C. Ignorance. D. Praise. Correct answer is unworthy. Question 8. Exaggeration. A. Fabricate. B. Understate. C. Confab. D. Curse. Correct answer is understate. Question 9. Pandemonium. A. Platform. B. Quietude. C. Confusion. D. Tension. Correct answer is quietude. Question 10. Fostering. A. Safeguarding. B. Neglecting. C. Ignoring. D. Nurturing. Correct answer is nurturing. I really appreciate your time and interest in learning with me. Stay connected for more MCQs and general knowledge updates. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more knowledge-packed content.